Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Nintendo DS Lite. Well, at least the parts of a Nintendo. This is a failed project that has been sitting around until I decide what to do with it. And today is the day. We're gonna select some parts from this pile and we'll do another wall frame like we do on the PlayStation Portable. The comments and reactions were really good, so I decided to take a chance and do another project. So, as always, have a seat, relax, enjoy me in this quick little project. Stick around. The disassembly part is already done, so I jump right to the background design. I'm gonna lay down all the parts until I decide the best layout for this project. A couple of meters later, and I think I finally realized the layout that I like the most. With that done, it's time to sit down on the computer and design the background with all the parts descriptions. At first I think in use printed game images, but I decided I will use real games for this project. So now I have a print test and I will lay down all the pieces again and see the adjustments that I need to do before printing the final version. And as you can see, it is almost on point. A little off here on the GBA game, but beside that, I'm happy with the result. And with that done, I finally print the final version of the background and it's time to glue it to the wood. And before I start to glue all the pieces in their final position, I will give them a quick clean. Clean done, it's time to fire up the hot glue gun and start the final assembly. And this is it, another wall frame project that came out really nice. I think this type of project is a nice way to recycle and also give a new life to a forgotten console, phone or whatever you wanna put into a wall frame. And for the final, of course, let's hang it on the wall and we are done. As always, I hope you enjoy another project. If you wanna see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and also share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.